Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. We are so happy to see you today.
Hi, friends. If you like real-life English conversations, daily routines, and family stories,
Please subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss our next stories.
today we will talk about a full day with kids from morning to night. Real life, real feelings, real English.
Yes, we will talk about what parents do, what kids do, and all the funny, surprising, and sweet moments in between.
Emma, what time do you usually wake up when you have kids?
Honestly, not when I want, but when they want.
That is very true.
Our day starts around 6:30 in the morning. The kids wake up early, full of energy.
Do they wake up calmly?
Calmly? No, Tom. Never calmly.
Let me guess. They jump onto the bed?
Yes. They jump, they laugh, they shout, "Mom, Dad, wake up!"
That sounds familiar.
Sometimes they bring toys, sometimes they bring questions.
Questions. At 6:30 a.m.?
Big questions. Like, why is the sky blue? Can we eat ice cream for breakfast?
Classic kid questions. So what do parents do first in the morning?
First, we open our eyes. Second, we try to stay calm.
And coffee?
Yes, coffee is very important. Before coffee, we are not fully human.
I understand that feeling.
While one parent makes coffee, the other helps the kids get dressed.
Is that easy?
Not at all,
Why not?
because kids don't want to wear what you choose. They want the same shirt every day,
Even if it's dirty.
especially if it's dirty. What happens when kids don't want to get dressed? They run, they hide, they laugh.
So it becomes a game.
Yes, a morning game called Catch the Kids.
Who usually wins?
The kids, most of the time.
And brushing teeth?
That is another adventure.
Tell me more.
They brush for 5 seconds, then say, "I'm done."
5 seconds.
Yes. We say, "No, brush longer." They say, "I already did." Kids are very confident.
Okay, everyone is dressed. What's next?
Breakfast time?
Do kids eat quietly?
Never quietly.
What do they do?
They talk, they spill milk, they drop food.
Sounds like a real family breakfast.
Yes. One child wants cereal, another wants eggs. Then suddenly, they want the same thing,
At the same time.
always at the same time.
After breakfast, is it time for school?
Yes. Shoes on, bags ready.
Do kids find their shoes easily?
No, shoes disappear in the morning.
Disappear?
Yes. One shoe is here, the other is somewhere else.
Under the sofa?
Or under the bed. Or inside a toy box.
Morning mystery solved. Are there any quiet moments in the morning?
Yes. When kids hug you before leaving,
That is the best part.
they say, "Bye, Mom." "Bye, Dad." And suddenly, the house feels quiet.
Too quiet?
Yes, a little too quiet.
Emma, this morning routine teaches us a lot.
Yes. It teaches patience, love, and real life English words.
And lots of laughter.
Always laughter.
So, Emma, the kids are back from school now. How does the afternoon usually start?
The door opens, and suddenly the house becomes very loud again.
I can imagine.
They come in with bags, jackets, and big stories.
Stories.
Yes. One child talks about school. Another talks about friends. Sometimes they all talk at the same time.
That must be confusing.
It is, but also very cute.
What do parents do first when kids come home?
First, we ask, "How was your day?"
And what do kids answer?
Good.
Only one word?
Yes. But 5 minutes later, they tell everything.
That sounds very real.
Then it's lunchtime. Simple food, healthy food, sometimes.
Do kids like healthy food?
They like it until they see snacks.
Homework time.
Yes. Homework.
Is homework easy?
Not always,
Why not?
because kids want to play, not study.
Of course.
One child asks for help. Another says, "I know everything."
Do they really?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
What happens after homework?
Playtime,
Inside or outside?
both. They draw, they build, they run.
Do parents play too?
Yes. We play, we laugh, we pretend.
Pretend what?
Sometimes we are doctors, sometimes superheroes, sometimes dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs?
Yes. Kids love dinosaurs.
Do funny things happen in the afternoon?
All the time.
Tell me one.
Once they tried to help clean the house.
That sounds nice.
Yes, but they used too much water.
Oh no!
The floor became a swimming pool.
I can see that happening. Are there emotional moments too?
Yes. Sometimes kids feel tired. Sometimes they feel sad.
What do parents do then?
We listen. We hug. We stay close.
That is very important. Now it's evening. What happens next?
Dinner time.
Is dinner calm?
More calm than morning, but still noisy.
What do kids talk about?
Their day, their dreams, funny things.
That sounds lovely. After dinner, bath time.
Yes. Bath time is fun.
Or difficult.
Both.
Why?
Because kids love water, but don't want to leave the bath.
Classic problem. What about bedtime?
Bedtime stories are very special.
Who reads the story?
Sometimes mom, sometimes dad.
Do kids sleep quickly?
Not always.
What do they do?
They ask for one more story. Then one more hug.
That is very sweet. And finally, the house is quiet.
Yes. Very quiet,
How do parents feel?
tired, but happy.
Because it was a full day.
A full day of love.
Emma, today we talked about a full day with kids.
Yes. From morning to night.
We learned new words, daily routines, and real life English.
And we learned about patience, family, and small happy moments.
Emma, what did you learn from today?
I learned that every small moment with kids matters.
That is beautiful.
Tom, what did you learn?
I learned that real life is the best classroom for learning English.
And for learning love.
Thank you for spending your day with us.
If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe, like, and share.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.